I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the screen. This protects you and the electronics. Once done, make sure you document the exact model and whether the warranty covers repairs, because that affects your approach. You then visually inspect visible connectors and cables for bent pins, corrosion, or loose seating. Use a flashlight and magnifier if needed. Next, prepare your workspace with an ESD strap and organize trays, and have a multimeter ready to verify continuity before disassembly. You now remove the bezel and carefully open the chassis to access the T-con, power, and backlight assemblies. Gentle prying prevents cracked plastics. Once exposed, measure power rail voltages and inverter outputs with the multimeter so you can compare against expected values and pinpoint failures. If voltages are fine, focus on the T-con and ribbon connections. Reseat each ribbon, clean contacts with isopropyl, and inspect for burn traces or swollen capacitors, because these often cause image artifacts and flicker. You complete the repair by swapping the defective module, be it T-con, power board, or ribbon cable, and making sure every connector is fully seated and locked. This prevents intermittent faults. Once reassembled, power up with minimal peripherals to verify the image, backlight uniformity, and any touch responsiveness. This isolates new problems quickly. If odd symptoms remain, make incremental swaps with known good parts, update the display firmware if available, and consult the board schematic. If all else fails, that one troubleshooting tip: check connectors again, usually catches missed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.